Hi, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de and this is the new GoPro Hero 7 Black, the top model of GoPro. When you compare it with the GoPro Hero 6, they have similar specifications, but the GoPro Hero 7 allows you now to do live stream via the app, and it also has HyperSmooth, so a new stabilization program. The GoPro Hero 6 had a pretty good stabilization, but HyperSmooth will be better, they said. It will be gimbal-like. I'm very curious how that works, and I will bring the GoPro Hero 7 to a trip to Paris and Marrakesh in Morocco, so let's check out the video material. So here's the GoPro Hero 7 and the Hero 6. The difference is that the GoPro 7 Black is black, as you can see. It also has a 7 over here on the side. GoPro Hero 6 had its logo over here. It is also a bit gray. At the back you can see that they both have just a touchscreen display, but I have to say that the user interface of the Hero 7 is much easier to use than the one from the Hero 6. Both cameras still use a USB-C to charge, and there's also a micro HDMI port to connect it to a monitor. So for me, the Hero 7 is easier to use. The user interface shows you all the information you need. You can swipe to change the modes like photo or video, and you also get all the informations over here, like we have 4K 60 frames wide angle, and you can change it over here easily. You also get a notification that you have HyperSmooth stabilization activated, and if you change the settings and HyperSmooth not available, it will show you that stabilization is not supported over here. So that is really nice. So the Hero 7 is really easy to use, and I think you don't really need an explanation for this, so it's pretty much self-explaining. So I would say I jump into the plane to Paris and Marrakesh, Morocco, and deliver you some footage from the Hero 7 and with activated HyperSmooth. So check it out. So that was my video of the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you can see in the video footage, HyperSmooth is pretty cool. The GoPro Hero 6 already had a pretty good video stabilization, but I have to say that HyperSmooth is even better. So it is really a cool camera. But if you're interested in the live streaming and also the HyperSmooth stabilization, then I think the GoPro Hero 7 is your camera. So if you have any questions about this camera, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.